In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit opening balances of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're cleaning up your books, making adjustments, or ensuring everything aligns with your financial records, knowing how to update an opening balance is an essential skill for anyone managing their accounts in QuickBooks Online. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can make the necessary changes quickly and accurately. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, don't worry. You can use the link in the description to create your account and get started. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is begin at the QuickBooks Online main page. Look toward the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Next, from that menu, select the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This is where all the accounts in your QuickBooks setup are listed. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll need to locate the specific account where you want to edit the opening balance. You can either scroll through the list manually or use the search bar to find the account faster. When you've located the account, look to the right side of the screen, where you'll see a button labeled View Register. Click on that to open the account register. Inside the account register, your next step is to sort the transactions by date. To do this, click on the date header at the top of the list. Keep clicking until the transactions are arranged from oldest to newest. This will make it easier to find the specific transaction you're looking for. Now, look for the opening balance transaction. This is typically the very first entry in the account register. Once you've identified it, click on the amount listed for that transaction. Clicking on the amount allows you to enter edit mode. At this point, you can adjust the opening balance amount as needed. Take a moment to double-check that the new amount aligns with your financial records. Accuracy is important here to ensure everything is reconciled properly. When you're satisfied with the changes, click the Save button to confirm and update the opening balance. And that's it. You've successfully edited the opening balance for your account in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.